Hi, this is Mark from Altcoin Buzz. Okay, so you've heard the term algo buying, algorithms. Maybe you've heard about ProfitTrailer or Cryptohopper, the trading bots that are out there, two of the main ones that people are using. And you're wondering, is this something that you should jump into? Well, let's take a look at Cryptohopper and ProfitTrailer. I'll show you the positives and negatives to both, and you can make your decision from there. And we'll also go into a little bit about what they do and how they do it. Let's get started. Okay, so here we are on ProfitTrailer's website. And if you go there, you can go to a demo. That'll pull up this page. And we're going to go through this. I'm going to dissect it a little bit for you so you know what's on here, but this is what you would get to if you went to the demo. And we'll go through the pricing as well on a head-to-head against Cryptohopper. I guess I was lucky. I was able to get mine for a flat fee using Bitcoin. It looks like now ProfitTrailer has gone to a monthly program, much like Cryptohopper. Now this is Cryptohopper's homepage, and there is no demo, but there is a video on it if you want to check it out. And their pricing is also per month. You've got 3 different levels here compared to the 2 on ProfitTrailer. And for the purpose of this, I've focused mostly on the hair, the mid-level. There are some major differences in the way that ProfitTrailer and Cryptohopper price their packages, and we'll go through that a little bit as we get into this some more. The documentation for Cryptohopper is held on the site itself. ProfitTrailer's documentation is held on a wiki site. It's very extensive. They also, you can find tutorials on both ProfitTrailer and on Cryptohopper on YouTube. There's plenty of tutorials out there. Okay, so on either one of these, before you can start trading, you're going to have to set up your program to be attached to the exchange that you want to use. Now, both of these ask for your private key, but they can't do any withdrawals. All they can do is trade on your behalf. So they can't get in and withdraw from your account all of your coins. So you will have to enter in your public and your private key to your exchange and set up an API specifically for your bot. So once you've set that up, then you've got to set up and configure for each coin, what criteria do you want the bot to look at before it purchases that coin? And what do you want it to do with that coin after it purchases it? How do you want it to sell it? That's going to be in your configuration on both ProfitTrailer and Cryptohopper. Now, this is the configuration GUI for Cryptohopper, and you can see that you just enter in the type of currency that you're using, either Bitcoin or Ethereum, as your base coin, and then you choose, based upon the package that you get, the coins that you want Cryptohopper to look at. Once you do that, then you go through and configure what settings you want to apply to that coin before it purchases it. And you can have multiple indicators in there. For example, you could have, if it crosses this moving average, then that starts the ticker. If it then crosses the signal on the MACD gets crossed, that's a second criteria, and then you could put in a third. If all 3 of those are met, then it would purchase that coin. The same thing with selling. Then on the opposite end, you would put in what criteria do you want to have met, whether that's a profit percentage or some other indicator to tell Cryptohopper or your bot when to sell that coin. So this is the Cryptohopper interface. Pretty easy to understand and get to. You can also backtest your criteria on Cryptohopper to see how that coin might have performed using those criteria and indicators that you set up previously on that coin to see how it might have bought, purchased, held, how long it held, what kind of profit percentage you might have made in theory. So your back testing is all included in Cryptohopper once you set up your coins and your parameters. In ProfitTrailer, the interface is a little different. There really isn't an interface. You're going to actually program in to ProfitTrailer a text document to tell ProfitTrailer what you want it to do. It's a little bit more intimidating than Cryptohopper. Cryptohopper is basically a drop-down list of indicators and you plug in the numbers. On ProfitTrailer, you need to understand what each one of these areas means when you activate it and what the numbers are that you need to input. Now you can purchase scripts from third parties, from other people that use ProfitTrailer. There are free ProfitTrailer scripts out there like this, or setups for your application that you can use and tweak. There isn't any back testing in ProfitTrailer, so you need to actually go into TradingView and use scripts that have been written to back test different settings in ProfitTrailer to see how those might perform for you based upon the historical trend. So a little more cumbersome to work with on ProfitTrailer than on Cryptohopper. Both have multiple indicators that you can use to both set the criteria to purchase and to sell your coin. And they do it. The advantage to these bots is that they do those things automatically for you. So it's emotionless trading, right? You set it up to say, these are the indicators, or here's when I feel that my long or short is confirmed based upon these fields that I have set for each individual coin. Now, once you set up your parameters and the bot is trading for you, then you're going to have a couple different dashboards that you could look at. This is ProfitTrailer's dashboard. Let's break it down a little bit. Up in the top or left-hand corner, what you see is you've got the total value of your base coin, your Ethereum or your Bitcoin, including all your dust and the coins that you've purchased and all of that, what your total value on that exchange is for that base pair. You also have the CoinMarketCap's top 5 coins and how they're performing. You've got the current balance that is totally not invested, available to be traded. And then you've got the base pair costs or current price that's going on in the exchange that you have it in. Over in the top right, you've got the starting balance where you started with, what the CoinMarketCap info is for the current total of 24-hour volume and percentage of Bitcoin dominance and all of that. You've got the total profit for the day, how much you've made in that day so far, your 24-hour trend on Bitcoin, the top 20 coins on the CoinMarketCap trends, and then you've got some general settings information down in the bottom. And then finally, you've got your profit from the previous day and you've got your profit for the week. Other things that you'd be able to get access to on the dashboard are the possible buys. So based upon the configuration that you gave it, how many coins are in possible buy mode at that period of time, how many pairs you have, so how many coins you've purchased and how they're performing, how many coins you've put into dollar cost averaging, which you can do in ProfitTrailer. So as the price of the coin goes down and it hits a certain percentage, it will repurchase that coin for you and start to average out your dollar cost. How many coins are potentially pending in a sale mode, how many coins you've sold, and what they are, and the dust that you have available. So those are all available to you with one click. In Cryptohopper, this is basically a scrolling screen. So if we were to continue to just keep scrolling down, this is what you would see. And it's broken up this way. So in the top of it, you've got what your total base coin on the exchange is and what your results have been over the period of time that you've had this set up for. You've got some quick toggles that allow you to turn on and off the trading very quickly. You've got a summary of your coins and the way that they're held as a percentage and the profit that you have either made or lost at the that period of time on your coins. You can manually buy from the exchange on Cryptohopper. If you want to manually buy something and input it, you can do that. You've got a summary of the coins that you hold and what position that they're in, whether they're in a sell position or whether they're in a hold position based upon your current configurations. You've got an area that will show which coins are lining up to the indicators, which ones are on the block, and what mode those indicators are in, whether they're in buy mode or sell mode or neutral at the time. You can set manual targets on the fly. You've got a summary of the coins, once again, that are being held with a percentage of whether they're up or down. You've got your total current asset list, and you've got your latest sell results, the top 5 latest sell results. On your hot links, you've got a trade history. We can look and see what your trade history has been, buying and selling, your overall stats and how the performance is going. You can go directly into the charts of the coins that you're looking at. You can do the back testing on each coin and the configurations based upon previous history, how it might have performed right here in the application. And then you can also add in outside exterior signals as well. So let's look at them side by side. 24/7 support on ProfitTrailer, and it is relatively live. Cryptohopper does not have 24/7 support. They do have support, but it's not live like ProfitTrailer. Are there multiple buy and sell strategies for each individual coin? Yes, there are on both the basic and the pro package for ProfitTrailer, and all 3 packages as far as Cryptohopper goes. Can you do back testing within the program itself? On ProfitTrailer, no, you need to go to TradingView. On Cryptohopper, yes, you can. Do they have most indicators that you can use to set up your strategies? Yes, on both. Do they have a profit tracker? On ProfitTrailer, you need to be in pro version to get a profit tracker. On Cryptohopper, it is part of the package. Are you limited on coins? On ProfitTrailer, no. You can trade the whole portfolio that is available on your exchange. On Cryptohopper, you are limited based upon the package that you buy. So the first package, you can put in criteria for 10 coins. On the second or the mid-level, you can put on 50. And on the highest level, you can put in 75. So pick your best 10, 50, and 75 on Cryptohopper. Does it have a trigger to allow you to perform certain things based upon that trigger? Like stop buying if something happens within the base pair, for example. If it goes up, if Bitcoin goes up 10%, can you stop the trading, the buying that's going on within the application? And you can on both of the applications, both ProfitTrailer and Cryptohopper. So ProfitTrailer is a little bit less per month. On the pro version, it's $37.50 a month. On Cryptohopper at their mid-level, which would get you 50 coins that you could trade on, you'd be at $49 a month. And Cryptohopper has a free trial. Now, not included in the ProfitTrailer cost is if you want to put it onto a VPS, if you want to have a virtual private server to host your ProfitTrailer on so that's continually running and you have minimal downtime, which is what's recommended, that is not included in the monthly cost. That's going to be additional. For me, it's about $25 a month when you include the Windows package and the host itself. You don't need that with Cryptohopper. That's all contained in the website version on its own. So let's take a look at some of the pros and cons on both. So on ProfitTrailer, some of the pros are that you have the ability to add on some third-party extensions like ProfitTrailer Feeder, which gives you a few more controls over the bot and what it can do and what it's looking at. It's been around for a while. It has all the bugs worked out. They do constant updates. There's a lot more support, it seems like, from a YouTube community on ProfitTrailer as far as videos go. And there's unlimited coins to trade on the exchange with ProfitTrailer. Some of the cons to ProfitTrailer is that the configuration is very intimidating, especially in the beginning. And you have to manually update it, which is not a huge pain, but you do have to manually update it as they make updates. And then there's the potential extra cost for a VPS if you want to run that separately on a separate server so that there's very little or no downtime. So on Cryptohopper, some of the pros that you have, it's a very easy interface for a beginner to get used to. It's pretty much point and click. It walks you right through it. It's easier to configure. There's no need to manually update. It's web-based, so it'll update on its own as they do the updates. And it does have a free 1-month trial that you can use to try it out if you're just getting started. Some of the cons to it is it does have limited coins. So if you're on the basic package, you have a limit to 10 coins that you can trade against your base pair. They do have more exchanges though, and they've got more pair options than ProfitTrailer. You can, if you wanted to, you could use the Binance coin to trade on Binance. You got, I think, 5 exchanges on Cryptohopper compared to the 3 on ProfitTrailer, and you do have the option to do on Binance. You can trade Binance coins. You can use that as your base pair. It still has some kinks to be worked out. So with the easy interface, there are some things that the reporting isn't quite the way I'd like to see it, but those are just minor kinks and tweaks that they need to make as they go. So really, you know, head to head, one's a little bit easier to use if you're a beginner and a little bit more expensive because of that. The other one takes a little bit more time. So if you were to add on a third party to ProfitTrailer plus add on, which would be the ProfitTrailer Feeder, plus add on a VPS and do the monthly subscription, you're probably in the same range as Cryptohopper if you do their highest level package, which allows you to have 75 coins to trade. So a couple extra things to make note of as you look at these two trading bots. One is, what kind of profit should you be expecting to make? And really, these are set up to be day trading bots. So you're not going to make huge profits as a percentage. You're most likely going to be making trades throughout the day that are somewhere between 1% and 5%, depending on how you set up your parameters on your coins and when you want to take profit. Now you could stretch this out a little bit longer and try and get, you know, a coin that you want to try and hold for a month or two, expecting that it's going to go up. But that's really not what these are designed for. These are designed to day trade for you, or trade within a very short period of time. You're looking for high buying and high selling turnover in a given day to make your profits, because they are going to be a low percentage most of the time. So to build up that base pair, you need to have a lot of trades happening throughout the day. That's the other thing that should be noted, is this isn't designed necessarily, if you said, to build up your dollar value, right? What you're doing is you're trying to continually build up your base pair acquisition. So you're buying an altcoin that eventually you're going to sell for more than you bought it at in your base pair. So you're trying to build equity in your Ethereum or your Bitcoin or whatever that base pair is and get more of that share of that base coin, versus buying altcoins to hold on to for the long term. Those are going to be eventually converted back over to either that Bitcoin or Ethereum. So you're really trying to get more as you go. The other thing that you need to know is you are buying market. So you need to account for slippage and fees and all of that as you're setting your parameters for your profit. Hey, thanks again for spending your time with me, and hopefully this helped you out to make a decision on whether you want to start trading with a bot. There's lots of other great info out there coming from all of our hosts. So make sure you go to altcoinbuzz.io and check out how to get to our podcast links from there, our social media links from there, and all the other great content that's being posted all the time on Altcoin Buzz. And until next time, may all your trades be good ones.